Hello everyone, welcome to Sapthora Summer Camp Session 3. Today we are going to learn the different topics, two different topics. One is the A minor scale, it's an A natural minor scale, and one is the song Twinkle Twinkle. So in this session, I'm going to show you both lessons, how to be played on the keyboard and how to find them with your both hands using and playing together. So quickly, we are going to move to our session 2 recap, a short recap of the session 2 that we learned, because that will guide us to this session 3 lessons, which is important to understand. So here we can see the session 2 lesson that we learned in the last session, that is the C major scale contrary motion. So the notes present in the C major scale contrary motion or the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and the last note again the C note. So this is the right hand alphabets and the finger numbers of the right hand, and below you can see the left hand alphabets. The same alphabets will be present here, the C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. So it's probably going reverse from here. So as you see the picture of the C major scale, how it covers the keyboard. So you can see the entire white keys covered while playing this lesson. It's called the C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And then we'll get the C again here. You can see the eighth note. So this C major scale is very important to remember because we are learning the relative scale to the C major today. So that is called the A minor scale. And here you can see the treble clef mentioned in the bracket. And here down, A minor scale, bass clef mentioned in the bracket. So this symbol is the treble clef, we call it as. It's mainly useful for the right hand. This symbol is called for the right hand playing part. And when we go down for this symbol, this is called the left hand part. So by seeing these symbols, it has a name called treble clef, and this symbol has a name called bass clef. So these both are looking different. It's not similar, and it has a different ways to do in the music. So whenever this symbol comes, it's useful for right hand, and this is useful for left hand. As we go to the lesson today, the A minor scale, here are the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So probably you can spell all 1 to 7 alphabets in the English language. So it starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the last note of the scale will get the same first note root. That's called the A. So why I said this is the relative familiar scale, because here are the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. When we come down here, the A minor scale also has the same letters present in the lesson. So that is C, D, E, F, G, and then A, B. So whatever the letters present in the C scale, the same letters will use in the A minor scale. That's why we call it as a relative family scale. So as this second one also will be the same letters that we play in the lesson. So before going to the playing part, you need to understand these symbols and remember this and this one. Both will be useful for playing parts, and one will be useful for right hand, that's called as treble clef, and one will be useful for left hand, that's called a bass clef. Here quickly I'm going to my virtual piano to show you how the A minor scale looks like. So here is my virtual piano present here. So first we need to find the A note from your right hand. So previous class we played the C major scale. So this is C major scale. While playing this scale, we'll get the A note. So we need to start from there for today's lesson. So it starts with A, B, C, F, G, and A. So this is our A minor scale, which will be played on the all the white keys, and here it looks like all together like this. The A minor scale will cover all the white keys present on the, and the same thing when we are playing the left hand, it goes one step down. So below the right hand, before the right hand towards your left hand side, you can find the A that is called for the left hand. And when we play that, we need to play here from the down A. This is the right hand one. So it goes like A, B, C, D. And the right hand part. So both hands together, it looks like this. And we need to come back reverse as the same. So I'm going to play one more time. So this is the A minor scale, the first topic for today. And here I'm going to show you on the real keyboard how it looks like. So first we need to find the A note. Below the three black notes, we can find the A note. So take your thumb and place it on the A note. 1, 2, 3. And after 3, shift your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. And coming back reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So the same thing for the left hand, we'll use the little finger. So A, B, C. Here you can observe the difference a little. So it starts with little finger, the left hand. So we need to play all the 5 fingers for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And while going reverse, it goes like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right hand is like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. And when you go to left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So both hands together, it looks like this. So it looks like this, and you can play it more faster. So this is our first topic for today, that we learned the A minor scale that's present here. Yes. And the symbols here represents the rough hand which will be used. And this name is very important to remember. The treble clef, this is for this symbol, and it goes for right hand. And the bass clef, this is for this symbol, and it goes to left hand. So today our second topic is the song Twinkle Twinkle. So before going to play the Twinkle Twinkle, this is actually related to the C major scale again. So because all the white keys that we play in the C scale we will use for this lesson except the B note. So all the 6 letters we'll use for this lesson. So that is C and D, E, F, G and A. So C, D, E, F, G, A. We'll use all the C, D, E, F, G, A here present on the keyboard. So starts with C, D, E, F, G, A. The 6 letters we'll be using to play the Twinkle Twinkle, and we'll play the lesson using that 6 letters. And here we can see the song on the top, the middle, the alphabets is the lesson that we need to play on the keyboard. So it starts with C, C, G, G, A, G. So we call us Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So it sounds like C, C, G, G, A, G. And then F, F, E, D, D, C. And again the next line G, G, F, E, D. And again the same line repeats G, G, F, E, D. And here we go, say C, G, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. And it will end like this. So when we go to the virtual piano, it goes like this, starts with C, G, G, F, E, D. So it goes like this in the virtual piano, and we'll go to the real piano. We need to start the C note with our thumb finger and play the C, 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 and little finger G, G, and move the little finger to the A note, A, and back to the G, G, and F, E, D, C, and G, G, F, E, D. Again the same notes G, G, F, E, D. Now the C, C, F, E, D, C. Now the left hand part will start right below the right hand towards your left hand side. So left hand will start with the little finger C, and then F, E, D, C, and G, G, F, E, D, G, G, F, E, D, and again the C, C, G, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. So both hands together, keep on the keyboard and try play this. 2 hands together, C, and G, G, F, E, D, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, G, 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 F, A, D, C. So that's the Twinkle Twinkle lesson played on the right hand and left hand and 2 hands together. So as you see here, it starts with C, C, G, G, A, G, and F, E, D, C. And again, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. And again it repeats the line G, G, F, F, E, E, D. And here is the last two lines C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, and C. So I hope you understand this lesson. In the session 3, the two topics, one is the A minor scale and one is the C. One is a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, the lesson, which is related to the C major scale. The both lessons related to the C major scale. So I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you for watching the lesson, the video. Thank you so much.